Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are learning English and still thinking your native speaker first, then you translating, then this video for you. I will explain everything. How do you stop translating and start thinking directly in English, and let's master this together. So first is why you should think it English. So thinking English is a game changer when you stop the translating and you speak faster and sound more naturally and build real fluency, and translating waste times and make your the nervousness and the afraid. So the sooner so break the habits and your faster you the growth. Without stop translating you cannot fluency way conversation in front of you. So firstly you need to focus, just think in English. When you are think in English, and then your clarity will be understanding, and you will be able to speak anywhere. And second thing is start small. Start with the small directly object. For example, when you wake up at 6 o'clock and look at your toothpaste and say is your mind's toothbrush, and I brush my teeth and this is a toothbrush, and try it to your head, and no need to say out loud. You thought phrases are like I am drinking water and it's raining and I feel sleepy, and these are your self real situation. And third thing is level everything. Use stick notes levels and your doors, fan, portals, and every times steam are repeated day by day in your mind. When we you are repeating day by day, and your subconscious mind be understanding, and he will reminder next time where you are want to use such type of kind and thing. And this help your brand and the objective with the English word directly and without translating. And fourth thing is a prac- uh, practice might conversation. So talk to yourself, mind and imagination such situation. You are ordering coffee and talking to a friend and asking the direction, and try line this word. Can I get a coffee please? And where this is nearest bus stop? Where do you like to in your free tires? And don't about mistake is part of life. Just you focus on the ever practice day by day. This goal is to train your stay in your English mode. And when you are speaking and the bacteria is such type of thing, and your brain will be understanding and train day by day. And five thing is I want to say, you can daily basis practice 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Think in English day by day, and use English while watching movies and repeat the dialogue and in your minds, and keep English diary and write the thoughts every night what you want to thought in every basis. Just to uh, keep and write on your notes, and you will try to practice during the conversation and during the think about anything in English. And the start small, big consistency, and your brain will be adjust everything like muscles. And the more you practice, the more you stronger it gets. So firstly, I want to just to focus on your content or your confidence. When you are making confidence, then you will be understanding, and you will be conversation every person without any fear. Because right now every person have knowledge a lot of English, but this is the main reason behind they can't a single word, because they have not any confidence. So how to he will convey? He will not convey because of less confidence, that he will not say anyone person and anyone stranger. so firstly i firstly, I want to say something in lastly. Think in English not impossible. Just take practice. It's the right details. And did you like these tips? And comment below your favorites. Try it today, and don't forget like, share, and subscribe more practical English content. Thank you so much. See you soon next time.